hi Henry ladang adon hasilong tingam ju sem hi kat bahasa ni pat de ngahap ban sem hi dala dia marwai kum ni ban khot inu ru kem nang hi nama lak ki jong ki jai pen rio tu par lok ngala dem ngala phong na kan ni ka jan sem ka ba mentah kan ni ka sngi ka ba a jong ha bang phong na ka jan thara ti ungi la don hang ni ngan pe altali u ibiang ni u ibiang u wei la biang u wei ngan deng tong wei kum tu ma okey ti ka kham ipu dang adang altali den em par lok tu kasi ka kham kerpang kanya ngan ma ba ngahap an I presentation hakmat ki pa ba ti ngala dap hang nim tang try kala ben ti phila ban pe no nang te ti nga try ki na shadin kala biang ti na spin shanish kin riang ru kala biang ti nakmat ru kala biang tharai phila ban yo I hi ngan pun ilang ti kani kadi ka sin ka ba ar yang bangan phong da ka jan sam khasi hang ni ha France ti ngalong nga comment ba mo nga comment shika de e bang yo kani kalat bangan pen I da ka Riam khasi tan rai da ka culture la jong ban kuman shu ong no ngaso sarong ya ga riti dustel la jong I'm proud of my Khasi culture ti tang kom tu hi ngala mi nang ni na kamla na di ban menta pati ngan leti sha no sha ti parlong menta ngala mi nang ni na hotel na kani ka jakasa bangasa menta ban marwai nga don hang ni ban yad ti hala I jain sem kalong ka ka banga sutanat ban ngaso sarong ngaso komen sim banga yo ban sem bat ban yo ban sem day hari la jong ru Henry shari Nongwei shari sapsni ki wei hangi Hapoh Europe ti kalong ka bat komen yang setting ru ibeb im don hang ni ngam nang gini ki nak try pat dia ban pen EP ki jakai tinga haple bentang da ini selfie video ma dia melelai tingan pen E kini ki jakai ki yeng kilang ki betelan ta ka sngi te kalong ka ba shit bat ka ba shai tang ba kriat hipan nama badang dep slap te ka kejam ta sama kuman ong Henry ka beneng te ka isyai mat ka itenat bah chaniete ki cafe ki restaurant ru ki kloi bah ban play but namar ka jaka kalong ka ba plan city te ki surak ru ka he bah bat ki dukan ru ada pio I karit ka ba syapo ka he ka ba sya bar ka itenat chabar ma pet ka jing itenat ka rukom setting jang ka restaurant shani ti ketika ba he bah hang tei ketika conference room jang ni ti ka itenat bah de ki cycle kani ngahabrung mentahang ni kinyo I ki jai brio ba pair sa kani ka jaka ka jingkhia ka bek lapalan ki dan bak bakan biang ka program hakani ka sngi ka menta kom baka shit ka shai ka sngi di kolom kai ka banga comment bha ban ngan rum no menta shani shapo conference khnang bangan yo ban lej ha kapor ka babiang ban naik ban slam di menta hang ni hi ngala rum no conference kuman sia tu efisya barok ma ba ban le vlog ti kam de phi ka basuk ka hi ti nama damarwe ken jadon angut laingut ti kasuk nama layo shoot kiwe ma kat ba damarwe ti ka e bah marwe ti ka e bah ban le vlog ngala ngai mana ka pod ibe bisa ong nga ba kalong ka basuk kalong ka ba e ban le vlog ti ngam juk ngai nama ba bunsin tada pio i shoot pe ma i yang nga bat i sa bat camera be ma i hi ti kadai kasin baning kong yang nga siya ipadas na mga don marway ti nga hapan shoot hi daladi bat kalong sisya ka ba hadu kata ti isgo ba banda support sisya yang basubhaban kasan yang nang ba ngin yo ban pen iki video ba pair lang ba ka jing yarap ka jang pi lang ba ka jing support ka jang pi ti nang it's kemba pin kasan yang i kumba piju kasan man ko po pinya like pinya share pinya subscribe ban kito gi bampat subscribe so bahaban subscribe ban tunang yai kasan tunang yai dan Ryngkat ban ngi haman nak puar ban haman nak jakat ade ko puar sep sngi menta sau shi teng thik menta hala dei ko puar ngala than bang nak kiu shi jrong bang yai kajan namar kum bang ip ba kadang jan ka jakalet ka jakasa bat kami ka conference di nga sa ha kamang tie banyak kejat tang 3 minit 10 minit di ngala poi tang bangale video bat kakia ka back takadang ngala thai im dan ibep tim dan bay yarap hang ni yangin hiano support namar bala dei sa kapwa bangan I presentation menta di ngala poi ha kami ka conference jaka bat ngan ham ya I should stay nang bangan late na siya ka kampa ka ba day bangan I presentation itanat ba kani ka conference room hani kakalten ka palace di conference kalau itanat ba well as we said technical somewhere so no worries. Bonjour all. Good evening ladies and gentlemen. It is extreme honor and privilege to be here at Paris for the very first time in my life on this truly prestigious and important event, the Union Conference. To declare I do not have any conflict of interest to report. First of all, I thank the Almighty for blessing each one of us and with good health and making me reach up to here. I thank the organizers for hosting this impactful event. Our convener, Ms. Lindsay McKenna and Mr. Paul Summerfield. Special thank goes to my mentors as well as my co-authors, Madam Anisha Singh, Project Director, Dr. M. Mauri, State Tuberculosis Officer, Mikhaila, for giving me this opportunity, and Sir Ashish, Mr. Jovial, for guiding me throughout the journey, and to all my colleagues for making us here. So I'll be presenting on the role of media engagement in disseminating TB knowledge across Meghalaya, India. So here's a brief about our state, a small state, Meghalaya. So it is bounded by a state called Assam and a country, Bangladesh. We have 3 tribes there, Khasi, Jaintia and Garos. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong, and it is being called the abode of cloud. So the background and challenges to implementation. TB is a serious public health issue in India. Strategies to curb the spread of TB must watch the multifaceted nature of the epidemic. There is lack of awareness among the general population. That is why media is an important source of information, and through a meaningful engagement about TB can have a long-term impact to the general population. Key objective: to sensitize media personnel and harnessing the support, to highlight Meghalaya TB programs update frequently and in a timely manner, to disseminate knowledge on TB elimination, to end stigma and discrimination, to educate on TB and promote health-seeking behavior, to help form responsible public opinion about TB and building community trust. So the rationale of the intervention is, first, we sensitize media personnel and seeking their support, then to increase TB literacy about symptoms, treatment, access to services, TB prevention and promotion of health-seeking behavior, increase awareness about TB-related government programs, and empowering TB communities.
how we did and what is the intervention or response. So first, as I discussed with you, is we sensitize the media personals, and accordingly, to get the media coverages or to get the publication, we held virtual or we do send field pictures and videos to the media agencies, and accordingly they publish the press release. So as you can see, lots of publication has been published, and it is free and organic, of course. Result and impact: from June 2022 onwards, we do have 160 web articles published so far, 120 papers, 30 TV shows and interviews, 4 radio interviews, 100 YouTubes have been covered so far. So yes, there is a sustainability in doing the media coverage, and enlightening that it is a no-cost approach for educating the masses, evidence-based approach and data-driven approach, rapport-building approach, recognition. So to sustain more on this aspect, we recognize the media houses, and we will be recognizing during the World TB Day. So these are the glimpse of the field pictures that we had. The first one is the IMA Meghalaya State Chapter. Then the second picture, as you can see, is our Member of Parliament, Agatha Sangma, has been captured. It shows that right from the bureaucrat level up to the political level has been coverage so far. So there is a scope of advancing the benefit of utilizing our local leaders, our health ministers as well. In the fifth pictures, as you can see, our health minister as well has been coverage, and yes, the head of the state also, as the governor, has been in the news. So these are few of the online articles and videos that we do have, and as you can see, a lot of view we can see based on the related activities, field activities that is done in the field. And yes, we also at our country level, we got the recognition as the best practices on media engagement in India, and our articles has been recognized by our chief minister. Every time whenever we are doing something or in the other thing, he will related with TB, he will always recognize and appreciate it and upload it in his social media. So to conclude, is media engagement at the state of Meghalaya has seen a sharp rise after the sensitization workshop. Approximately 414 publications, more than 100 activities from all districts. We do, as I said, we are small states, and we do have 12 districts, and out of 12 districts we do have the coverages. So both rural and as well as urban areas, and proper sensitization of media journalists on TB helps in having sustainable engagement. All these media engagement interventions were frequent and organic. Furthermore, they demonstrate a keen interest and great sensitivity in spreading TB literacy across Meghalaya and amplifying the supportiveness of the state efforts for a TB-free Meghalaya. The effectiveness of this media intervention showcased the needs to scale up this model of engagement in different states and countries. So I'm happy to discuss, get in touch. My email is this, and I do have it in LinkedIn, and Instagram I'm using is the NTEP Meghalaya, which is our state's Instagram. Thank you so much.
Palok katu ngalada ya ka presentation juga mat kalong ka ba success la ni ka ba job mah namar ba ngala man present kat hani Hapoh kadi ka bahe hari Europe, Paris, France de kalong ka bala ai nam mah nam taka program kajangi ke NTEP program Meghalaya katu parlo ngala poi Hapoh hotel but dung nak kamera jonga bangan yo ban res mentah kasngi bangan yo pen EP ki jaka pak dir lesai kasngi